Alright, so welcome to a tutorial on how to edit a night shot. So this is where I've just got my R5, my Canon R5, and I took this shot at Perth Airport. So let's go in and edit the photo. So I use the Camera Raw. So we open it up. Now the fantastic thing is that you just use this global tool here, exposure. Over here, click the mask tool, click subject, and it should open up this. So we can see where it's not really grabbed much of the aircraft. So we just go in and highlight and color in, just like kids. So I'm just going to do a quick edit here just to show you what's going on. Alright, what I've found so far is just to capture everything. Alright, now the biggest thing is you can see here it's grabbed some other parts of the image. So just make sure you deselect them. Going down here. Alright, so we can see there, over here, we hit the exposure tab. As we can see, we can expose, come down, reduce the highlights. Now, what I've noticed is by adding some contrast, it really takes away that, what it looks like. But also, coming down here, using the defringe tool, as you can see, going either way. The effects, dehaze, just take some of that edge away. So once we've done that, we're pretty happy. I'll take this global slider back. So it looks pretty reasonable from where we initially started. So back here we create a new mask and then we select the background. As you can see, it's not really good. So again, I'll just use a brush tool. Just deselect the aircraft. And then I'll use this to reduce the exposure a little bit. Then up here, fantastic, come down to detail, denoise. Now for the night shots, I found about 62% is the best one. As you can see here, it's not too bad, or up to 70. Let the computer do its thing. So as you can see, it's pretty good. It's a little bit dark for my liking, so I'll just up the exposure just a touch. And I'm pretty happy with that. So then I open it into Photoshop. And then I'll go 100%. That's looking pretty good. I will go find a straight level bit of something around having a look and looking. This is pretty level, so I'm not going to adjust any level. Go back to fit on screen, do my cropping, so as you can see there, got the rule of thirds, aircraft's in the middle, double click, Now I'll use sharpen, unsharp mask, 250.2 pixels, threshold of 0. I'll then go resize image. And sharpen the image twice. And that's how I edit my night shots.